guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails for another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, we found out what's wrong with my birds. They had canker. I've gave them a double dose of tablets and hopefully it's sorted it. Sadly, I've lost a few more. So these are the only birds I've got left, but I'm just happy that we found out what it is and got on top of it, hopefully. And this is the first video for 2022, so Happy New Year, guys. Just gave them a bowl of water to bath in. But we've got some good news as well, guys. So we've got a new nest. For new black and white Pitson has paired up with this female. think a little one egg at the moment, so we'll see what happens. So we've reached the end of the video, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel. Give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. If you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year, guys.